Today I'll be working with epoxy. I'm going to be adding some color to it, some mica green and some emerald green epoxy coloring. My objective is to turn a bowl with a wooden ring. We'll see how it works out. Hope you all enjoy the video. I'm not sure what happened here. I was going to exclude this portion of the video, but I figured I'd like to show you folks how I poured the epoxy. My apologies for the view. Damn, the epoxy has a shitload of bubbles. I'm going to have to go deep. Well, I made it to the end without any major mishaps. Despite the piece having so many bubbles, I was concerned that it wasn't going to come out. But in all, it came out really nice. It was my wife's idea to incorporate the pine cones, which I'm glad she had that input. Came out really nice. If you made it this far, I appreciate your support, and as always, thanks for watching.